Kansas City. He's 9 years old, and his name's Vincent. So standing by, Vincent, hi. Hi, how are you? I'm sorry to interrupt. Were you you in training for something?
Yeah, I take boxing lessons.
I mean, you look like a fantastic boxer. Is it true that you also have just won the second golden ticket?
Yep.
You must be so excited, are you?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, well, will you tell us? I mean, the world is watching. This is Channel 10 News. The world is watching. Every kid in the world wants to know, how on earth did you win it? Tell us the story. Tell us what happened that
Well, I'm a gunner normally,
day. Okay.
but when I heard
Chewing
about
gum.
these golden tickets,
Yeah.
I laid off gum and switched to candy bars.
Oh. How many candy bars do you think you opened in order to win this?
I don't know. Probably spent about $500 and bought like
Wait,
300.
you had $500 to spend?
Yeah.
Of your own money or your parents' money?
Oh no, I won boxing.
From your boxing winnings. That's amazing. All
I
right.
got like 50,000.
Well, hey, listen. Tell me, stay still. I know I can see that you're still in training, but stay still. You look like you're on a boat. You're making me want to have seasickness or something. Tell me, are you still buying that many chocolate bars a day? Now that you've won the ticket, what are you doing? Are you back on to the...
Oh, I'm back on gum.
Oh, gum.
I just adore it. I can't get off it.
Are you chewing gum right now?
Oh yeah.
Okay, like how long have you chewed that piece of gum for?
This gum?
Yeah. Let me have a
You
look.
might think 3 months, but actually a year.
Can I please have a look? Okay, cameraman, get in on that gum. Oh, God, is that mold on the gum?
Oh yeah.
Is your mom, are you okay with him chewing gum for like 3 months? I can't stop him. He puts it behind his ear at dinner, too. Is that true? You put it behind your ear at dinner?
Sometimes a little hair gets on it.
I can imagine. Whoa. Well, listen, hey, thank you so much for taking the time to interview with us. Congratulations, and have the best time over in England. Have you ever traveled overseas?
Once.
Where did you go?
I had to do that to get one of my back boxing camps, and again to go to a championship of boxing.
In Russia? Okay, so this time you're going to England. Well, hey, have the best time and represent USA! USA!
USA!
USA!